one's ours because we tried. We're gonna keep that one because it, well, you're having a hard time keeping your face out of it.
I don't want to keep it. I want to make one
For who?
Me.
Well, you made that one for you.
No, it's for your friends.
Honey, they don't want it with your face in it.
But I didn't want to.
I know, honey, you're doing a good job. And I appreciate your help.
There might be two that you might want to keep.
Yeah. I think these are ours. We're gonna drink a lot of hot chocolate and love
Is
it.
that one Sissy's?
Yeah, this one's Sissy's.
Is she going to drink that one?
Yeah, she's gonna drink it.
No, don't drink it. You're gonna make cookies out of it.
No, that this is hot chocolate.
It's hot chocolate.
Follow along, lady.
Where have you been?
All right, so, all right. You and Mommy don't want your lips on it either.
What are these for? Yes,
Those are
get on
for
the
that.
top. Papa's right there.
Do you want to pour some of these in? Doesn't that look good? Ooh. Kinsley, do you want to pour some of those in?
Yeah.
Okay, not the whole bag, just a little bit like Tyson's. We saw that. Yeah, good. You can put a little bit more in there so that all the white. Yeah, so all the white's covered, Kims. You're doing good, honey. Good. Oh, okay. That's okay. Let's just do a little bit more. There. All right. Now we'll do some of these. Yeah, you can have just a dab more, honey, because you got quite a bit.
That's why mine is this.
Yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, nice job.
There's a cookie.
These are, it's going to be peppermint hot chocolate.
Peppermint?
Yeah, so put some of those in there.
And then what do we do with this?
Well, just eat that one.
Well, why is this important?
Well, because we want it in the hot chocolate. Whoop. That's okay, I'll get it.
I want for mine. Yeah.
But once you lick it, honey, then you don't want to put it in the jar because nobody else wants to have it. Yeah, honey, we'll put them in there, won't we? There you go. Put that one in.
Well, I don't want it.
You don't like them?
I don't want it.
You don't want what?
This in my mouth.
Well, then go spit it in the trash can. Come on over there, boy.
I can't hold it back anymore.
Mommy, I spit it fast. Like this. Right, Mama?
What?
I spit it fast.
Yeah.
I put a jar. And some more.
Okay, here you go, Kims. Honey, I don't think you need that stick, babe.
That's where you turn it into like the sand art.